Every year in Geneva, Skoda shows a very special concept car, and 2018 is of course the same. This time, this concept offers a very interesting drivetrain, but there's a lot more to explore here at the stand of Skoda. So, jetzt sind wir hier bei Skoda am Stand und neben mir steht...
Now we're here at the Skoda booth, and next to me is Frank Jürgens. You brought a very nice concept, Vision X. What makes this car special, and when will we see the production car? We are very happy to show the Vision X here, because as you see, the design really is a highlight. A great car with a new design language, and with a completely new headlamp design. But it offers a lot more. In this car, for the very first time, we've integrated a hybrid that combines a gas engine with an electric motor. Extremely environmentally friendly. I think you can say a novelty for Skoda. An idea for the future. To show how environmentally friendly powertrains, which are delivering a reasonable range for our customers, could look like. I think this is what our customers are expecting from Skoda. A simply clever solution, which gas and electric definitely is. Talking about the technique and data, what range do you expect for the car? This still is a concept, so we do not communicate range figures. But you can for sure expect a range like with a standard powertrain. So this is a concept, but when will we see the production car? Normally we present concepts quite close to the production model to check if people will like it. And if I put today's reactions into account, there is a good chance that this car will come soon. But we still want to collect more feedback from our customers regarding to the concept. As always, you brought more to the show. This is a big stand with a lot of cars. What are the other highlights? We show a lot. We present a nice performance package for the Octavia RS, which really looks great. But we also brought new color and trim packages like the Larine and Clement Kodiaq, which is the top-of-the-line trim level you may know from other models. Another real highlight is the complete renewed Skoda Fabia. A very nice car with a new design at the front and the rear. Now offering more assistance systems as our customers do expect from a Skoda. So the future of Skoda will stay simply clever.
The top version of the Skoda Kodiaq celebrates its premiere here at Geneva as well. And this one is called Larine and Clement. This means loads of luxury and all this stuff. That car comes as standard with 19-inch alloys and full LED headlights. But in the inside, you can explore a lot of very nice details as well. That was our report here from the Skoda stand from the Geneva Motor Show. And what I really like a lot is we saw loads of new models, or let's say updated models, but on top we saw this new concept car, Skoda Vision X, which I really like because not only there is a very interesting powertrain with a combination of gas and a hybrid, we also will see exactly that car next year here as the production car. So really something you have to look forward to.